Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve mute notifications on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve mute notifications on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram app, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop, and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi here, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.